Chinguru cy'umuriro ya Kengen nigo yararirie gucyo gwakana ababwatani baye Ebaita Enene ase umwakoyo okorari uko ni gwakorwa asegekaro gyakera umwaka kibo igokere kigetunda ya 53 ase umucyoyo iga o Nairobi tiango turaririria nari yagenderera kurwa asegekarikyo.
Today, Kenya's electricity demand has reached the highest level in our nation's history of 2,418.77 megawatts recorded on November 18, 2025, reflecting a rapidly expanding industrial base, the growth of digital infrastructure, and a vibrant, forward-looking economy. In this environment, Kenya's leadership has never been more critical. We stand at a defining moment in our nation's history journey. Kengen is committed to playing a leading role in realizing the national ambition to add 10,000 megawatts of new capacity to the grid, as championed by His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya. This is a bold step towards modern, industrialized Kenya, a Kenya that takes its rightful place among the world's leading economies.
Our shareholders' endorsement is grounded in strong results. Kengen delivered a 54% increase in profit after tax, rising to 10.48 billion Kenya shillings, powered by disciplined cost reductions, rapid growth in diversification measures, revenues, and a strengthened foreign exchange position. This is Kengen's strongest earning growth since the geothermal expansion cycle of the mid-2010s. But the broader story is even more significant. Kenya's electricity consumption reached the highest peak in our nation's history, 2,418.77 megawatts in November, a signal of accelerated industrialization, expanding digital infrastructure, and rising economic momentum.
We see very great potential, more so because of the interim measures that we are putting in place as an industry. Between Kengen and KPLC, who is the off-taker, there is a critical player who is KETRACO, the Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, of which key transmission lines that are going to be completed are going to now increase the sales from 8.4 gigawatt hours onwards to 9